Hello everyone, Southern Mike here. I'm down here back at Naples Pier to give you an update, so stay tuned. Yeah, I heard that the construction started on a Naples Pier, and I hear that the finish date is supposed to be around July of 2027. So we'll go out here and see what's going on. There's 3 cranes. They got a fence up now, so you can't even walk that part of the beach over in that direction. But work has begun. It's about 8:30 in the morning, March 3rd. Water's kind of calm today, so far. Got this road here, it's closed. This one goes directly to the pier. They're working on a house there. Now this is the next street down on the other side of the construction. Got that part of the beach closed off. If I'm ever filming here in Naples, you hear jets flying over, planes. Naples has an airport for the private jets, small planes. They used to have a commercial airliner fly out of there, but I don't think they do that anymore. They offer free life preservers for the kids. All right. Let's head back. Thank you for coming along with this Naples Pier update. And I'll see you on the next one. So please subscribe, share, like, and stay tuned for the next adventure.